Hey guys, finally everything is confirmed that OPPO Find X7 series launched in China on 8 January 2024, but already unboxing and hands-on image and video are already leaked. And as you can see that here all the color are unboxing and the smartphone come with beautiful 4 colors. So let me know in the comment section below which color you guys like it. Regular OPPO Find X7 and flagship level OPPO Find X7 Ultra and OPPO Find X7 Ultra satellite communication version. Yes, satellite communication options are now available finally Android phone with the OPPO Find X7 series. The OPPO Find X7 will be have a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a 1.5K resolution, but the Ultra variant have a slightly bigger display. The phone comes with 6.82-inch 2K resolution LTPO panel. The panel will be using same technology Vivo X100 Pro and OnePlus 12. Of course, the phone also comes with 4500 nits peak brightness. Let's now talk about the camera section. The OPPO Find X7 featuring a triple camera setup, a 50MP Sony Latia 808 main sensor, 48MP OB64V telephoto periscope zoom lens with 3x optical zoom, and 50MP ultra wide. And OPPO Find X7 Ultra series is the first smartphone come with dual periscope telephoto camera, 50MP main sensor Sony Latia 900, 50MP Sony IMX890 periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and 50MP telephoto lens with 6x optical zoom, and the phone also comes with 50MP ultra wide. OPPO Find X7 comes with MediaTek Dimensity 9300 and OPPO Find X Ultra variant comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. Geekbench score are also revealed. The single core score is 2228 and multi-core score is 6868. And out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with ColorOS 14, and all three model powered by 5000 mAh battery and also 100 watt fast charging, and Ultra model also come with a 50 watt wireless charging. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.